Are you seeing? God brought us here together so that we can bring something out. He did not go to any other section. He see, God would have choose a man. See, it's not as if I'm the most powerful in this section. God would have gone to zone 2 and bring a man from there to come and start leading this revival. God would have gone to other section, but God came to the headquarters and raised a man so that this thing can go. Why? Because it's strategic in nature. Because he knows that once the head gets it right, the body gets it right. Are you seeing something? So when you are praying, you have to pray with the mentality that God has called me. God has called me. I know it's not today you have been praying. I know it's not today you have been praying. I know meanwhile it's not today too you have been praying. It might be something. See, God look at the heart of a man and he began to choose. You might think that you are not enough, but God looked at your heart. He looked at every man that was passing and said, no, this guy, he will do my will. He will do my will. I have found him favored like David. He will do my will. And God began to choose you. God began to choose you. God began to choose you. God brought you here together and said that this man will do my will. So when you are praying this prayer, you should know that God has brought you here because he knows that you will do his will. So you must pray and pray this prayer with your heart, knowing that you are coming into the ministry. He said that let these people serve food. We want to give ourselves to the ministry of prayer and the word. Ministry of prayer and the word. So God has called you here because it is an assignment. God did not just call us here by mistake. He called us here because it is an assignment. God is about to bring revival, and this revival will start from us.
Amen.
Are you seeing? This revival, it has started come. If you look at what God is doing now, I'm sure there are still men that have prayed this thing even before God called any of us to start praying. I know that there are men that have been praying this thing, but God has answered their prayer and He has heard the cry of the people, and He has brought this revival now. He has brought this revival now. That it might be heard. It might see. It's possible that it can be heard. You must look at it from the very beginning. You might be heard that the Bible said there was a small church in Azusa. And Azusa, if you listen, look at the history. I don't know how many of you know the history of Azusa Street. There was a small church in Azusa in the United States that a man that did not know anything, that was blind, a black man, that they rejected in the church and they sent him to a bush to go and pray, to a village. And this man came and he began to pray sincerely to God, and God filled him with the Holy Ghost, and he kept on praying in tongues and gathered people, and they prayed and prayed and prayed for 2 years, and revival broke out. And the sound of the revival went as far as China. From a village, he went as far as China, and the Bible said, and that the history had it that and men came from all over the world, and from that small street, revival was taken, and he went to even the place of Riabonke in Germany, and a man from Azusa Street that was from Germany came to Germany. He came back and he missed his way and went to the village of Riabonke and met Riabonke grandfather and prayed for him. He got well from his sick bed after years of being sick, and he became a pastor. And from that lineage, God brought Riabonke, and God sent us in Riabonke back to Africa to revive Africa. Why? From just a small village, God was so able to do this much from what? A small village. Are you seeing now? Yes. So you might look at this one, but God can make the sound of the revival that will happen here. It can go as far as this district headquarters. It can go as far as the national headquarters. And men will say, what is happening in satellite? What is happening? And men will begin to come, and you'll be shocked that the move of God is so mighty in this place. And men will be looking at, is it what is happening here? But yet they will say something. There is something that God can come upon us, can come upon this section. That you see that may see your name can be written in the history of time. It can be written in the history of this session. That in this time, this men and this men they play, they came together and play, and it can be recorded in history. And from this revival, more revivals can come.
Yes.
Are you getting now?
Yes.
So as you are praying, you must be praying with an intention. That Father, you have called me. Father, you have called me. From here, things will start happening. You start seeing giftings that have been locked to you. You start opening. Are you seeing now? God will start speaking. Some of you will start having prophetic dreams. Some of you will start seeing the dream mission. You start seeing what God has called you. In your place of work, you start seeing God start using you. In everything you do, you see the power of God. You see the call of God. You see the glory of God upon you. The Bible says, as Moses went into the presence of God, You see that he spent 80 days here, and as he was coming out, men could not look upon his face. He had to start looking for a view. I thought about the glory was too much, and Moses, David, and you would think that it was only him. David said, and as I came into your presence, and I stood in your presence, and I came out, my face became radiant. Hi. It's a place. See, men, there's something that can come upon the man's life. That when you walk into a place, men might look at you as ordinary. When you begin to speak, they say, "This is a God speaking." The Bible says, "Are you not God?" Jesus said it. He said that, and is it not written in your law that you are God, and the law cannot be broken?
Yes.
But he said, and the place, that place said, I said, "Are you not gods?" But I say, "You shall die like me, man." Why? Because they have not come into the name of God. They do not walk into the name of God like Moses to become gods on earth. The Bible says in the time of Moses that Israel will be walking, and nations were afraid. Nations combined were afraid because of it was the noise of Israel that made Jericho begin to build wall. The noise of Israel. There's a way you can carry the radiance of God that enemy will start building wall because they are afraid. They will not come to attack. So they just want to be left alone. They say no, don't go there. See, they'll be telling themselves with the wishes cover, don't go there, you will die. That place is the danger zone. They will tell, please come out. Please, we can't. When they are sending them, they will say, "Man, they are sending me to my death. Don't go there." Are you getting something now? Something can come upon this place. That if we see from the head to the door will be hit by this fire, they will force a revival that they will not be able to sleep in their bed again. I want us to begin to pray. I want us to begin to pray.